Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to add overlays in OBS Studio, but before you continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's open OBS Studio. To add overlay, you just need to create a new scene. Click on the plus button to create a new scene. For the sources, just you can select media and click on OK. Click on upload your media here. It will be an image of the video. Upload it and it will be added to the overlay like here. So click on make sure it's looped and click on OK. So it's your overlay added. Also click on the plus button on the sources again and head over to image. Add your overlay image. Choose the image that you need, select it, and it will be added to overlay in your OBS Studio. And you can also add a video capture or a simple video overlay, obviously video. So this is pretty much it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.